Okay, so this is straddle fracture. Okay, I'm again repeating it, but okay. So straddle means straddle, this shape is straddle. Okay, there is injury to the anterior part of your pubic symphysis. There is bilateral superior inferior, bilateral superior inferior pubic rami fracture. Bilateral, दोनों side superior inferior pubic rami fracture. More chance of the urethral injury, more chance of bladder injury, penile injury. Okay, straddle injury. This is yours, bilateral superior inferior pubic. Uh, Duvernay fracture. Okay, so there's something which I had to tell in Duvernay fracture. Okay, so normally you see any fracture. So every bone has some different type of fracture or some different type of muscle attachment or some different type of joint involvement. Okay, so normally the ilium have two type of attachment. One is sacroiliac joint attachment and one is the pubic symphysis attachment. If your fracture does not involve this sacroiliac joint, neither pubic symphysis, okay, so you hardly do anything for them. Okay, so for this type of fracture, anything which is iliac being fracture associated, you don't do anything. Okay, sometimes it fuse by its own. Okay, because it does not hamper any movement. Okay, it does give pain but does not hamper any movement. So these are the Duvernay fractures, so they are very less significant fractures. Okay, now this is Malang fracture. Okay, so one sided story, one-sided fracture. Okay, so it is like one-sided hole, ऊपर से नीचे vertical shear. Okay, so this problem is vertical. Okay, so it is the force would be going like this. So it is going from this to this. Okay, so sacroiliac joint and inferior pubic rami fracture. So it is Malang fracture. Okay, then dashboard injury. I already told you. So dashboard is so you the force applied from dashboard to your femur and then it dislocate your hip. Okay, so this is dashboard injury. Now this is pumpkin. So it is a Pipkin classification. It look like your femur head. Okay, so femur head fracture is Pipkin fracture or Pipkin classification. Then there's a second fracture. Okay, so there's a second fracture. Okay, second is second. Okay, so I usually called him second fracture. Okay, so second fracture is this teeny fracture which avulged. Okay, it will help with the ligament of muscle. It avulged from the lateral condyle. So a lateral condyle of tibia say it got avulsed. So it is known as secondary fracture. Second fracture, avulsion fracture of lateral tibial condyle. Okay. If the fracture is not avulsed, okay, and it is a classical fracture, it is a classical fracture. Okay. So if it is avulsion, this is the second. If it is a classical fracture, it is known as bumper's fracture. Okay. So you see, this is car bumper. Okay. So obviously, car bumper will if it is if you get hit by car bumper, okay, anteriorly. So it is below your knee, this tibia part. Okay. So this part got fractured. Okay, so they are like brother of this second fracture. Okay, so this lateral condyle got fracture. So if it is got fracture, it is known as a bumper fracture. Okay, so and if it is got avulsion, then it is known as second fracture. Second. Okay, so you can remember as second bumper. Okay, secondary bumper you can remember at. So second and bumper both are, it's like big brother and small brother. So secondary bumper. So second is just avulsion, while bumper is classical fracture of lateral tibial condyle. Okay, so you just remember these two with same name. Okay, secondary bumper. Okay, so second and bumper's fracture. Okay, so it is a classical fracture. Now this is chopard fracture. Okay, so I had already told you tarsals bone, metatarsals, and phalanges. Okay, so these are the phalanges, these are the metatarsals, these are the cuneiforms. Okay, these are navicular. So we'll start from tibia, from medial and lateral. Okay, so TNM classification is talonavicular is medial. So talus navicular, this is medial side. Calcaneocuboid, this is lateral side. These are the three cuneiforms: medial cuneiform, lateral cuneiform, and this is intermediate cuneiform. So इसमें भी cuneiforms में भी medial lateral कर सकते हैं, medial cuneiform, lateral cuneiform, and intermediate. And these are the metatarsals and then phalanges. Okay, so chopard fracture जो होता है ये intertarsal fracture होता है. So it's like chopping. Okay, so if you consider chopping, okay, so chopping किसको करते हैं when you have small bones. Okay, so sometimes the murderers chop whole of your body. Okay, so you cannot chop femur or this big bones. Okay, obviously you chop these small bones or small like onions or anything small, you can chop it. Okay, big बड़े bones को cut करना पड़ता है. So chopping is mainly for this tarsals bone. Okay, so I remember this tarsals bone chopping is chopard fracture. So it is chopping of this. Okay, so chopping of this your lower foot is chopard fracture. Chopard is tarsals. Okay, so you can either you can remember T say chopard. Okay, so chopping of your tarsals bone is chopard. Okay, T is tarsals. Yes, very good, very good. Okay, so move forward. Now this fracture is something which is very difficult for even for orthopedic also. So Lis Frank fracture bolte हैं. It is a French name. Okay, what the problem is, you have this. So we started with tarsals में अगर chopping हुआ, then it is known as chopard. Then we come from tarsal to metatarsal. So in tarsal to metatarsal, अगर there is a dislocation between tarsals and metatarsal, it is known as Lis Frank. Okay, so ये देखो, see this is second metatarsals. Okay, this is tarsals. Okay, uniform चीज of tarsals में आता है. So अगर second tarsal metatarsal में dislocation होता है, इन दोनों के बीच में bones में there is a separation. Okay, and there is a fracture. So fracture dislocation बोलते हैं tarsometatarsal joint का. So you can say it list. So it's, you can say it like list में France है. Okay, so it's like, I will tell you how to remember this name. So everybody has some of their what is bucket list. Okay, so you can remember this as like list में France है. So your bucket list में, if you have some bucket list in your life, you have this France tour or something. So list में France hai. Okay, so list is Lis Frank. Okay, now so T and M. Okay, so it comes like list में France है, so T is tarsals and M is metatarsals. Okay, so tarso metatarsal dislocation and fracture is known as Lis Frank. So it is Lis Frank, you remember it, list में France hai. Okay, list में France, tarsal metatarsal dislocation fracture is known as Lis Frank fracture. This is Jones fracture. Okay, so she is Katharina Zeta-Jones, and the film is Mask of Zorro. Okay, so Mask of Zorro, if you've seen, she is very beautiful, Katharina Zeta-Jones. So on her, it's not on her name, but I just put for remembrance. Okay, so it's like a fifth metatarsal fracture. So this is fifth metatarsal. If it got fracture, okay, if it got fracture, it is known as Jones fracture. So Jones fracture is fifth metatarsal fracture is known as Jones fracture. Okay. So you just remember Katharina Zeta-Jones, fifth metatarsal. पाँव में problems है. Okay. बस there's two more slides. So this is pylon. Okay, so pylon. What do you mean by pylon? So in French, there's known as pylon is pylon. One is pylon rider. Okay, so that is double L. So pylon means pestle. Okay, so in France or something, pylon means pestle. Okay, so this is pylon. इसको बोलते हैं. This is known as pestle. Okay. So making pestle is known as pylon in France or Italy. I don't know. So this type of fracture. So they consider this as a talus and this as a tibia. Okay. So every time you what is it? You strike this. Okay. This fracture. Okay. So this was this distal tibia fibula fracture. Distal tibia fibula fracture. Okay. Distal tibia fibula fracture is known as pylon fracture. So it is a distal tibia fibula. Distal tibia fibula fracture is known as pylon fracture. So pylon is this. Okay, so you remember this as a tibia. ये इसमें जाता है that ओखली में. It's like ओखली में जाता है. So this part, the distal part got fracture. Okay, so you see this as a ये ओखली में जा रहा है. Okay, so this distal tibia fibula fracture is known as pylon fracture. Okay. Now see ankle ka ek, I just want to show something. Okay, and then we'll go again. There are only two fractures only. So this is lateral malleolus. So fibula. So if fibula, wherever the fibula ends, now there is a bulbous structure. Okay, like greater trochanter में कैसा bulbous structure. वैसे fibula का The last, the terminal bulbous structure is known as malleolus. So in fibula is lateral side, so it is a lateral malleolus. In tibia का जो end होता है, which is bulbous, and is a medial side, it is a medial malleolus. So medial malleolus in the medial side, which is bulbous. Lateral malleolus is the lateral side, which is bulbous. Okay, but if this is AP, this is anteroposteriorly you are looking. Okay, if you look in the lateral part में अगर ये look करोगे, so if you see this part, okay, so यहाँ भी bulbous structure होता है. This is known as posterior malleolus. So in ankle joint, okay, there is three malleolus. Okay, there is a three malleolus. Okay, you just remember there is three malleolus. ये important. So this is lateral malleolus, ये big वाला. This is medial malleolus, this one. Okay, this is medial malleolus, this is lateral malleolus. In the medial malleolus, lateral malleolus, ये AP में है. This is AP. Okay, if you see in the lateral view में देखोगे, सो टीबिया के पीछे भी एक बल्बस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होता है ऐसा. सो दिस, ये जो होता है, दिस इज posterior malleolus. So there is a three malleolus in the ankle joint. Okay, so there is two fractures according to the malleolus thing. Okay, so one is Pott's fracture. Okay, so see in Pott's, you have seen Pott's. So Pott's में क्या होता है, there is 2T. Okay, there is 2T, so it is a bimalleolar. So medial malleolus का fracture, lateral malleolus का fracture is known as Pott's fracture. Pott's fracture is bimalleolus. दोनों malleolus अगर टूटते हैं, then it is known as Pott's. Okay, there is double T and small. Pott's is very small. Okay, double T and Pott's is very small, so it is a Pott's fracture. Now the third part is Cotton's fracture. Okay, so Cotton is big. You see, double T Pott's में इतना ही था. This you had added something extra. Okay, so you had added something extra other than, so this is Pott's. Okay, PO double T. Okay, this is extra addition. Okay, so that means one more malleolus. So this posterior malleolus. So this is lateral malleolus fracture, this is your medial malleolus fracture, and there is a posterior malleolus. So if you see in the lateral, there is a fracture of this part, ये part का fracture होता है. So it is Cotton's. Okay, so you see this lateral part में ये chunk एक बाहर रहेगा. So this is Cotton. So अगर दो fracture है, then it is PO double T Pott. अगर तीन fracture है, then it is a Cotton. So Cotton fracture. Okay. So I think, okay, thanks for the class. I will send you the details of the MCQ.